Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
This is the best reggae you ever hear, man. Me feel a cool breeze blow, carry peace below. Me close my eyes and pray. Jah guide me way, every breath a gift again. Wash away the pain. Me see the people run for fame, forget Jah name. Me move slow, me stay wise. Under Jah skies, healing wine through town. Calm the frown, spirit rise and soul repair. Love everywhere, me chant down the fear. Bring Jah near, them build walls but Jah tear down. Crown to crown, every whisper bring hope new to me and you. Healing wine so pure, make me sure. Same healing wine, blow through the nation. Bring Jah vibration. Healing wine, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Me see the mother pray for son. Battle done, me hear the elders sing again. Free from pain, every sound a healing grace. From Jah place, we carry love so deep. Never sleep, me walk through the market lane. Hear refrain, people smile through struggle long. Sing Jah song, healing wine cool every fight. Turn wrong to right, love move like wave at sea. Set we free, me feel the spirit dance. Give life a chance when breeze pass me face. Me feel Jah grace, no storm too great fi win. When love within. Oh, healing wine, blow through the nation. Bring Jah vibration. Healing wine, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Cry, lift we eye, blow strong, blow kind, free the mind. Oh, oh, oh. So when I grow cold again, me feel the wind explain. Jah live in every breeze, bring we peace.
Ay, ganja and Zion, reggae yo man. Yeah. Me wake in the valley of Tess, Jah spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm, still me soul stay warm. No fear, no cheer, no lie. Just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread Jah word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't chop the free, Jah dwell in me. Every chant me send, truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash, cut through the trash. Lion heart never tame, stand in Jah name. Hey, lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade, me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep. Wake the sheep, from Zion come the call. Lift up all, me chant until me voice grow hoarse. But me stay on course, the youth them lost in vanity. Me bring clarity, them fed by social chain. Me wash them brain, truth stronger than the gold. Forever bold, me chant till dawn again. Free from pain, lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate, When truth step in at the place, all false erase. Jah fire clean and bright, turn wrong to right. Liar, rough truth, Babylon gate. Them can't relent when judge step in at the place. All false erase, Jah fire clean and bright, turn wrong to right. Liar, rough truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Oh, lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside, we all answer the call. Ay, 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 Ganja and Zion. Reggae, yo man. Ay, ay, ay. Reggae, yo man.
Aye, aye, aye. Kaya and reggae music, yeah, man. Me climb up the mountain tall. Jah hear me call. Every step me rise, me closer to the skies. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath my feet make my spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me say Jah walk with me, me never lose my faith. Jah love create, me look down on the plain. See mankind insane, the greed and hate them grow. But me still know, love are the real key, set we free. No man can block Jah way, me pray each day. Higher ground me see, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find, peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground, me climb through thunderstorm. Still Jah keep me warm, every struggle build my soul. Make me whole, me feel Jah wine caress. My soul bless, oh, me see the sunrise bright. Pure delight, me chant for every soul. Reach Jah goal, me lift me onto sky. Never say goodbye, Jah guide the climb me try. Me trust in God, one step, one song. Carry me along. Higher ground me see, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find, peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground, so when we reach the top, me never stop. Jah glory surround, me rest on higher ground. Work fi be done, me no soldier with gun, me rebel with drum. Peace me banner, love me creed, freedom me seed. Them say me too soft to fight, but me shine light. Me conquer hate with grace, face to face. Them build empire fi greed, me sow good deed. Me chant revolution pure, me stand secure. Me no need no weapon load, me move proud. Every lyric a bullet clean, cut through mean. Them can't jail me tone, me stand alone. Peace warrior, me be spirit free. Rebel of peace, stand up strong, right the wrong. Rebel of peace, chant your name, no shame. Me walk where hate resides.
me style and way, me still pray. Each step me taking time, truth me rhyme. Peace no weakness, it's just sweetness. Me fight Babylon with smile all the while. Me see hope in every face, love embrace. No more blood fi spill, Jah will. Rebel of peace me call fi one and all. Me hear the trumpet blow, spirit grow. Peace no silence, it's defiance. Me lift me voice pon the hill still. Rebel of peace, stand up strong, right the wrong. Rebel of peace, chant your name, no shame. Rebel of peace, worldwide call, unite we all. Rebel of peace, heart pure, love endure. Me no war, me no hate, me change the fate. Rebel with peace till the end. One love, me friend.
Rise up, my people, this is for my brothers and sisters, yeah, man.
Flow, mystic river flow, carry me where me need to go. Me drop my pain up on the stream, me chase my dream. Jah Garden pull me home, no need for roam. Me stand by the water edge, whisper my pledge. Guide me Jah through storm and rain, wash my pain. The river sing a sacred song, me sing along. My soul feel new again. Free from chain, me travel downstream, slow learning as me go. Each ripple teach me peace, all worries cease. The water cool my head, my spirit fed. John in the flow, now me know. Hey, mystic river roll, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free. To Zion sea, mystic river deep. Secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, me see reflection of the sky. My spirit high, every wave a sign from Jah. Blessed me heart, me feel a healing star deep in my heart. The river whisper still, follow me will. My beard in the holy tide, my heart open wide, me release what no belong. Sing my song, mystic river calm and wide. Jah inside, carry me truth away to brighter day. Me float and me pray, Jah guide my way. Mystic river speed, strength for the weak, yeah. Mystic river roll, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free. To Zion sea, mystic river deep. Secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, so when my life turns slow, me let the current flow. Mystic river never end, forever my friend. Na ganja is the natural medicine, yeah man. Oh, no. From the hilltop me chant, me no want, me no flaunt. Me sing for the people, oh, let the whole world know. Freedom echo wide, Jah by my side. Me voice rise from the dust, full of trust. Me no bow to oppression, and me stand, me sing for justice true. Me sing for you, every word me chant, break ignorance plan. Yeah, me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. Me rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon not like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud, lift the crowd. Yeah, voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserve to live, so me give, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away, new day. Me walk through feel of fire, still me higher, me sing for the lost and weak. Truth me speak, every note me send above, filled with love, Rasta guide my way, night and day. Me no silence me sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage across every age. Me carry the flame so bright through the night. Voice of freedom rise again, heal the pain. Me sing for the voiceless still, Jah will. Me call the youth for unite, hold the light. Yeah, voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserve to live, so me give, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away, new day. So when we're gone from earth, remember the word, voice of freedom remain. True joy and pain.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Oh, oh. Me dep on Jah Highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile, teach me new truth to learn. Inna the fire, the spirit burn. Me hear the river hum low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road, me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant, faith abundant. Me see the signs say love ahead, so me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride, just truth inside. Me trod through storm, me trod through flame, still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care, cause Jah dey everywhere. On Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire. Every mile me bless, no stress. Me look on the horizon red, hope ahead. Me feel Jah breeze, embrace peaceful place. Me drive through life with grace, no haste. Me leave behind the fear. Me draw Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow. Me move, oh Jah say fi go. Every road lead home one day to Zion way. On Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. On Jah Highway me remain, free from pain.
Na Zion Ragaya man. Holy city shining bright, city of Zion full of light, streets of peace and gates of gold. City story never old. No crime, no war, no pain to bear. City of Jah forever care. Every house a song of love. City shining high above. City of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land. City built by Jah hand. Whoa, oh. It glow at night, it shine by day. City of Zion, holy way. No hunger there, no thirst, no fight. City shine with holy light. It's called the children, called the meek. City truth all people seek. Forever standing, never fall. City of Jah, feel we all. Me walk the street of righteous flame. City chant Jah holy name. It bless the humble, bless the kind. City of Jah, eternal mind. No wicked plan, no Babylon rule. City of Zion, holy school. Forever shining bright and clear. City of Jah, forever near. It echo drum, it echo song. City of Zion stand so long. It heal the heart, it lift the soul. City of Jah, make we whole. Forever pure, forever bright. City shining day and night. Every gate a holy sign. City of Jah, forever mine. When the trumpet sound at last, City of Zion standing fast.
Rasta man is higher man. Through the valley, soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper, bold and true, voice of wisdom shining true. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Traveler stop and lift his head, voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way, voice of love begin to play. Star may come and thunder roar, voice of peace remain in store. Every note a prophecy, voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon this stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth reveal. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet, voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call, voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound, voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new, voice of justice shining true. Generation sing along, voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land, voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone, voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true, voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small, voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free, voice of love eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high, voice of mercy fill the sky. Everlasting, old and new, voice of Zion carry through. Blow, blow, strong and wide, voice of wind remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody, voice of love eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true, carry a message for me and you. Never fading, never fall, voice of mercy guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free, voice of truth eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new, voice of Zion shining true.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. High up on the holy hill, Jah light a shine so pure and still. Break the darkness, clear the way, turn the night into bright day. Every ray a promise keep, wake the soul from Babylon sleep. Light of Zion never fade, shine from now till earth remade. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear, guide the people far and near. Lead with shine low. Everywhere the people go. Break chain, break night. Fill the world with holy light. No storm, no wall can hide the beam. Light of Zion, reign supreme. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead we through this storm and fight. Keep we walking in Jah light. From mountain top to ocean floor. Light of Zion forevermore.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta smoke the best ganja in the city, yeah, man. From the mountain peak me here, lion voice strong and clear. Righteous roar, cut through night. Babylon tremble, lose them fight. Strength of spirit, fireball. Lion story, ancient told. No man break, no chain bind. Lion stand tall, Jah design. Children gather, chant along. Lion lead with mighty song. Every step a thunder sound. Lion God, the holy ground. Babylon throne can't last long. Lion stronger than them wrong. Justice rise, mercy call. Lion stand tall over all. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Lion walk through fire and rain. Still the strength remain. Not of violence, not of war, but of truth we fighting for. Heart so gentle, spirit kind. Yet no fear for wicked mind. From Africa to every shore. Lion roar forevermore. Generations hear the sound. Lion echo still around. When the children cry at night, lion roar, restore them light. Elder bow and youth man rise. Lion shine before them eyes. Ancient promise, holy call. Lion stand for one and all. Roar, roar, thunder loud. Lion voice unite the crowd. Strength of Zion never fall. Lion stand tall overall. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Forever strong, forever true. Lion
Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion, open gate. Forever ruling strong and free. Throne of Jah eternity. Throne of Zion stands so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. No man can bribe, no man can sway. Throne of Zion here to stay. It lift the humble, lift the meek. Throne of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never wrong. Throne of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time to endless day. Throne of Zion light the way. Me hear the thunder, hear the flame. Throne of Zion call Jah name. It judge the wicked, heal the pure. Throne of Jah forever sure. No Babylon can shake or bend. Throne of Zion have no end. Forever shining, pure and true. Throne of Jah for me and you. It guide the nations, guide the land. Throne of Zion firm hand. It stand above the fleeting power. Throne of Jah eternal tower. Forever blazing, never dim. Throne of Zion, holy hymn. Everlasting, ever near. Throne of Jah forever clear. When the trumpet sound again, throne of Zion still remain. It shine eternal, never fall. Throne of Jah for one and all. Forever strong, forever pure. Throne of Zion always sure. Holy light and holy song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion, wear the crown. No hate, no war can shake away. Throne of Jah forever stay. Throne of Zion stands so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. From age to age, from night to day. Throne of Zion never sway.
Aye, 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 Kaya Kush and Zion reggae, yeah, man. In the garden, strong and tall, tree of life embrace us all. Roots so deep in holy ground, tree of wisdom all around. Babylon axe may try to fall, tree of life still stand for all. Every leaf a sacred flame, tree exalt the mercy set us free. Hey, fruit so sweet for every hand. Tree of life bless all the land. No more hunger, no more pain. Tree of truth forever reign. Bird them bill and nest so high. Tree of peace embrace the sky. Every blossom bold and bright. Tree of Zion hold the light. Poet write beneath the bow. Tree of life inspire now. Every line a sacred song. Tree of love keep moving strong. No corruption break the wood. Tree of mercy always good. Everlasting, pure and free. Tree of justice victory. Hey. Generation sit and rest. Tree of life provide the best. Every season come and go. Tree of mercy still will grow. Storm may rage and winds may roar. Tree of truth forevermore. Sacred pillar, bold and strong. Tree of Zion sing the song. Hey. Morning light upon the leaves. Tree of life no man deceives. Every shade a holy sign. Tree of justice still divine. Even stranger weak and tired. Tree of love make them inspired. Every root a prophecy. Tree of peace eternity. Hey. Never fading, never small. Tree of life embrace us all. Sacred tower, tall and free. Tree of mercy, victory. Glorious flame in every part. Tree of Zion heal the heart. Everlasting, bold and true. Tree of life in me and you. Hey. Grow, grow, strong and high. Tree of mercy touch the sky. Stand, stand, bold and free. Tree of love, eternity. Tree of life, sacred flame. Glorify the holy name. Never breaking, never fall. Tree of mercy shade us all. Forever blooming, strong and pure. Tree of justice will endure. Roots eternal, bold and free. Tree of Zion victory. Hey. Na Zion, Raga King, yeah man. La 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 la. Na Zion. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Endless tide upon the shore. Ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song. Ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall. Ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free. Ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast net so wide. Ocean bless the daily tide. Every creature, great and small. Ocean care for one and all. Storm may rage and thunder roar. Ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign. Ocean carry love divine. La 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 la. La 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 la. Elders sit beside the sea. Ocean sing of prophecy. From creation, first of days. Ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger lost and weak. Ocean guide the truth them see. Every current strong and clear. Ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion build a boat. Ocean help it stay afloat.
Every journey, every mile, ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption, bend the tide. Ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple, pure and true. Ocean sing for me and you. Poet writing sandy line. Ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody. Ocean of eternity. Morning light reflects so bright. Ocean blaze with Jah light. Everlasting, bold and free. Ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide. Ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray. Ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war. Ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water, strong and deep. Ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast, ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small. Ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true. Ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy, shining bright. Ocean glow in Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong. Ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame. Ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall. Ocean open for one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure. Ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water, strong and white. Ocean wash the foolish pride. La 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 la.
From hills of Zion, me hear a call. Bless the all. Drum beat take a true night. Guide the light. Me heart move to the tone. Me never alone. Me chanting a sacred style. For a while, Jah message through me flow. Let them know each word a holy seed. Fi heal the need. Zion echo pure and high. Reach the sky. Them try mute the sound. Still it rebound. Me see the people wake. Chains break. Rasta heart no fade. Freedom made. Echo run deep and strong. Just song. Woo! Echoes of Zion. Call the name. Burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Me hear the trumpet blow from east. Soul feast. Me sing till me voice run dry. Still me try. Every chant me send. Have no end. Zion echo call again. Heal the pain. Me walk through the valley low. Still me glow. Every rock me tread pan firm. Me confirm, Zion spirit live inside. Me guide, echo reach from heart to ear. No fear, me no silent, me no still. Jah will, when darkness tries suffocate, me elevate. Zion sound eternal flame. Call Jah name. Who? Oh, echoes of Zion, call the name. Burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Ooh. Echoes of Zion, never end. Guide with friend. Voice of Jah forever ring. Hear it sing. So when the world feel cold and torn, new hope born. Echoes of Zion call again. Free the chain, free the chain, free the chain.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man.
Burning bright from ancient days, firelight, Jah holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul, make the broken spirit whole. Every spark, a truth revealed, every flame, a wound that healed. Fire of Rasta never die, lift the chant into the sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong, burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path we to trod, keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street, fire warm the people's feet. It call the youth fi rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blaze in unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. It answer to the righteous call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way, it guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. Me see the elder by the flame, chanting praise to Jah name. Me hear the drum, me hear the song. Me know the fire will last long. It teach the youth fi stand up tall, never bow to Babylon call. Every ember, every glow is Jah love we come to know. Through the night and through the rain, fire burn and still remain. From first creation to the end, fire of Jah will never bend. It guide the way, it guard the gate, it keep the love and burn the hate. In every heart, in every land, fire blazed by Jah command. Blaze high, blaze wide, fire of Jah we cannot hide. From east to west, from shore to shore, fire burn forevermore. No chain, no wall can stop the flame. Fire of Rasta, praise Jah name. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong, burn away the hate and wrong. Light the path we to trod, keep we walking close to God. From morning sun to evening star, fire of Jah burn near and far.
Zion Reggae, man. Deep within the hills so green, Jah Garden bloom this sacred scene. Tree of life and river clear, voice of Zion always near. Every fruit a healing song, feed the children, make them strong. Babylon hunger can survive, Jah Garden keep we all alive. Jah Garden truth will never fail. Every seed a word of love, falling down from skies above. Hands of children dig this soil, heart of Zion bless the toil. Jah Garden ever living free, place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind, Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. No more sorrow, no more fight, garden shine with Jah light. Youth man plant and elder reap, promise Jah forever keep. No more hunger, no more war, Jah Garden open door. From creation till the end, Jah Garden bless again. River flow and tree them sway, children laugh and chant all day. Lion roam but harm no one, in Jah Garden under sun. Every nation, tongue and creed, find together what them need. No division, no more pain, Jah Garden rule again. Plant the seed, let it grow, Jah Garden love overflow. Roots so strong, leaves so tall, Jah Garden feed us all. Jah Garden ever living free, place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind, Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. Forever shining lush and true, Jah Garden open for me and you.
Na na na, the master reggae of Zion. Heal the people, yeah man. Nightfall come, the fire blaze, drum and chalice chant of praise. Circle wide, the people sing, glory rise to Zion King. Smoke ascend, the spirit fly, drum beat echo across the sky. Babylon system fade away, drum and chalice rule today. Every hand upon the skin, drum beat shake from deep within. Every draw a sacred flame, chalice chant Jah holy name. Youth man dance and elder pray, one love spirit on display. No division, no more wall, drum and chalice heal us all. Drum and chalice holy sound, lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free, drum and chalice unity. Through the night until the morn, drum and chalice keep us strong. Every rhythm, every tone, link the flesh unto the bone. Ancestor spirit gather near, through the smoke Jah voice we hear. No oppression, no deceit, drum and chalice set complete. Babylon try to silence we, but the drum still set we free. Every corner, every land, drum and chalice hand in hand. Generations pass it down, chalice fire never drown. Living culture, roots so deep, drum and chalice never sleep. Beat the drum, light the flame, Jah name. Sound and smoke rise so high, link the people to the sky. Drum and chalice, holy sound, lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free. Drum and chalice, unity, forever chanting, never done. Drum and chalice, two as one.